Statistic reporting. Which website metrics matter for your business? Let's cut to the chase. The only metric that really matters is in your bank account balance. There is no better proof that you're doing things right or wrong. But tracking things back to how that money is reaching your bank account will help you trace who's it coming from, and why they're picking you. This puts you in a position to repeat and scale your success. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. So what metric points should you be looking at on your website and in your business to understand what is creating your success, be it small or large? Your overall traffic. Your overall traffic and how it fluctuates will often be reflected in your bottom line. So keeping a good eye on your traffic and working on it growing is important. How much of that traffic is engaging you? Looking at what percentage of traffic stays on your site and engages with your content and pages is also very important. This gives you a clear picture to understand whether you're attracting the right people. The traffic numbers compared to the numbers of people who stay on your site instead of bouncing right off will give you an idea of how well you're choosing your keywords and your topics for your content. How many people are getting on your list? It's important to put downloadable documents behind the name email request in order to measure engagement and grow an email list of people who want to hear from you, but perhaps not actually buy from you yet. A percentage of these people will eventually become clients, so the more you collect, the better it is for your business. How many sales are you making? Finally, the last metric is how many sales are you making, and which products or services are more profitable and take a longer or shorter time to sell. Understand this and you're well positioned for success. Get ready to scale. Once you know all the data above, you need to work out which lead source is turning in your fastest converting, most profitable products. Focus on scaling on this, and your company will multiply its impact faster than you ever imagined. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at the 3 passive income ideas for your business. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.